Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the most easiest way to trade forex. The most easiest way to trade forex. And today we'll be looking at gold. Gold. This is the way I trade it, and is it has been very profitable and quite easy for me. Instead of drawing too many lines and looking for resistance and support, liquidity. No, this is the way I trade it. Then where you go to 5 minutes time frame, just go to 5 minutes time frame. When you go to 5 minutes time frame, all you need is just one indicator for this. You need just one indicator, and the name of the indicator is session. Just type session. We have session by Los Argo or FS market session, but I prefer session by Los Argo. When it opens, then you go for the setting. You set, how do we set it? We have New York session, we have London session, we have Tokyo session, and we have Sydney session. How does this work? First of all, change the color of New York session if you like. Then uncheck Tokyo, uncheck Sydney, uncheck Tokyo and Sydney. Then uncheck this one, these bosses, these four bosses. You can uncheck any of these. Like me, I prefer unchecking the range outline. Then leave the label. So how does this work? Simple. When the New York opens, first of all, what you do, you just draw your line. The first candle that the New York opens with, just draw it. Cover it this way. Good. Now, how does it work? You buy, you sell when the next candle, when the candle closes below, and you buy when a candle closes above this line zone that you have drawn here. So, but the question is, how, when do you know you are supposed to buy, or the candle you are supposed to buy or sell with? Now, make sure that the candle you are buying or selling with is not inside this box. Like the wick or the body is not inside this box. Like this one, you must have bought when you sell with this candle here. Let me enlarge it. You sell with this candle. When you sell with this candle, let's say you put your short here, you sell here. When this candle opens here, first make sure you put your stop loss just a little bit above the opening candle, this candle, a little bit above it. Okay, let's say you put your stop loss here. You put your stop loss here, and maybe some few pips because of this zone here. So this is just some few pips, and maybe your take profit was at this point. Then it goes and started returning. What you do is wait. If it returns and take you out, good. But make sure when you want to open just one position. Open just one position first, and when it start moving more, you add more position. So okay, let's assume that your first position, the market took you out here. Then the next thing you do, you wait for the market to go to this direction. When it goes to this direction and closes with this candle, then open another one that is the wick or the body is not inside this box, you buy. Then it has closed above, you can buy here. Let's say you bought here. Then put your stop loss below this zone, and you bought with this candle that the body or the wick is not inside the box. So how many to, you see, you make money. Okay, now when it goes to, it makes the first move with first, you open like two position. After you lost one position here, you open two position at this point. Then when it says this and go, you can open more position to add it. But the thing is that you have recovered from here and made here. So made you are cover your losses at this side. So let's check other days. Let's check yesterday. It's simple. This method is very, very simple. Very, very simple method. So now look at it. New York open. You mark this candle. Mark it this way. Simple. Mark it this way. And make sure it gets to the wick from the day. Good. This is how it's supposed to be. Now you wait as this candle, as this one is going. This is London. This is New York. As this candle is opening, it's going this way. As the market started going to buy direction, you wait for a candle to for the candle that the wick or the body is not inside this zone you draw, or the rectangle you draw. So you watch this one. We are supposed to buy here, but we cannot buy because the wick is still inside here. If you watch very well, you see it. The wick is still inside, so you will not buy. Then you wait. It started selling. You wait again. See this wick is not touching the line. If you check, it's not touching the line. Or you wait for it to close. When you close it and it closes above this one, so we sell. Put our sell here. Put our sell here. Then, like I said, make sure that your stop loss is just a little bit above the opening candle. Then let 20 to 30 pips. Then you open to your desire. You can break even. You see, this is the gain. Let's look at on Monday. Let's look at on Monday. The same thing. You put, this is the opening candle. You do it this way. You mark. You put. You see. Now this candle we are supposed to buy here. Me, I used to buy, especially when I see a long candle this way. So when you see a long candle here, what you do is either that's the wick, the body is still inside, but is the body outside is bigger than the body inside. So what you do, you can still buy when you see that it has gotten up to this 70% of the body is out, is bigger than the one inside. So you can buy here. But me, for security reason, sometimes I just have to exercise patience. Forex is all about patience. You wait for this candle. Maybe this candle open and do as if it want to say. Just wait for it. Buy and put your stop loss a little bit below the. So you see, boom, a massive win. The same thing. You can just backtest it. Look at the same thing. The same thing. Just a simple strategy. Simple. You don't need to kill yourself trying to form professional or simple. Look at it here. Look at it. You wait for the candle to look at it. Short. This is why you're supposed to sell. Then put your stop loss a little bit above here. Then just look at the massive gain yesterday on Friday last week. So guys, just you have to backtest this thing. You have to backtest it. You have to backtest it. Though it's not every day you'll be winning, but out of 1 week, if you trade 5 days, you will win like 4. Huge win. You have a very big win of 4 days. Then look at this one. A very good trade. This is a good trade I bought here. You see, a very good trade. So guys, just backtest it anyway. Backtest. It's a very sure way. So guys, do not forget to click the like button and also join my Telegram channel for signal. If you're for free signal, it's free, and it's not that I'm giving you the signal is to tell you, okay, this is the time to sell or the time to buy. Thank you.